Hello everyone, this is William. I hope you're enjoying a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. In this channel, we'll take a look at hotel accommodations and provide you a room tour during our stay. Plus some tourist destination suggestions and to try out some popular local foods and restaurants. Before we dive in, a big thank you to our new subscribers for supporting this channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Watch till the end of the video for some bonus information that you shouldn't miss. Looking for a hotel just 10 minutes from Hong Kong International Airport and conveniently located near Tung Chung MTR Station, Ngong Ping Cable Car, Tai O Fishing Village and Hong Kong Disneyland Resort? Well, you're in luck. Today, we'll give you a room tour of the Silveri Hong Kong MGallery, a luxurious 5-star hotel positioned in the center of Tung Chung. And it is best described as a haven of luxury and tranquility. As a hotel guest, you'll benefit from a complimentary round-trip shuttle from the airport to the hotel. The shuttle service operates from 6 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. daily. Shuttle service schedule and other information can be found on their website. Link in the description box below. To navigate this shuttle service from the airport, locate this big LED wall in the middle of the arrival hall. Opposite this LED wall, you find this bridge that leads to the Airport Terminal 2 and the Airport Express. Upon crossing the bridge, take this escalator one level down. From here, walk straight this hallway until you find these doors across the hall. Exit any of the doors from 9 to 15 where all hotel shuttle services are waiting outside the bay. I know you're eager to see the Silveri Hotel and I am as well. The hotel entrance can be found on the 3rd floor next to the Outback restaurant in the annex building of the Citygate outlet. Take the lift to the 9th floor to get to the hotel lobby. Upon entering, you will be greeted by a spacious reception lobby with a luxurious atmosphere that reflects its 5-star rating. And not to mention, the front desk staff are incredibly welcoming and friendly. You can also access the gym and the pool area directly from this side of the lobby. Unfortunately, the outdoor pool is closed for the winter and will open again in March. But the gym is open and fully equipped to help you stay fit while touring. I filmed the outdoor area early in the morning and it looks stunning, especially the garden. Take this walking path and this will lead you to a spectacular overlooking view that offers beautiful landscape of the sea and mountains, and it's perfect for witnessing breathtaking sunsets. Now for the highlight, we originally booked the classic room Urban Oasis view, but we were upgraded to the superior room sea view upon check-in. This spacious 26 square meter or 280 square foot room is non-smoking and includes free Wi-Fi too. The hallway leading to the guest room is elegantly designed with warm wood tones and ample lighting. This is a nice wooden keycard and I really love the use of wood over the typical plastic ones. As we entered the room, the continuity of aesthetic interior design of the wall panels that consist of wood with addition of mirror in the back is very noticeable and it adds a great touch to it. These wooden wall panels are evident starting from the main lobby to the guest room floors and up to the guest rooms. This entryway doubles as a changing room, and I'll explain that shortly. Next to the door, you'll find a tall mirror, light switches, and the AC control panel, and behind the door is the emergency exit plan. There's a big closet that includes a pair of bathrobes, an umbrella, sleepers, extra sheets, 2 empty drawers, and you'll find 2 mirrors attached on the back of the closet doors. Next to the closet is the wash bin area, featuring a large mirror with beautiful lighting around it, a magnifying mirror with built-in light, and standard toiletries like hand towels, a box of tissue, some toothbrush kits, luxury brand Marlin & Getz hand wash and body lotion, 2 boxes of Elix water, beneath the wash bin, you'll find additional hand towels, a weighing scale, and a hair dryer too. Now moving over, let's check out toilet and shower room. When you open the toilet door, the lid lifts automatically. Inside, there's a smart shower toilet from Villeroy & Boch that can be controlled via remote, while the flushing can be activated by pressing the wall plate. The bidet features adjustable angle and pressure settings, along with a heated seat for added comfort. Although smart or bidet seat is not yet that popular in Hong Kong, it is one of the Hong Kong hotels that feature a smart toilet in each room. Moving on to the shower area, you'll find towels hung outside the door. These feature sunken flooring, hot and cold shower, and a rainforest shower head, complete with luxury shower supplies by Marlin & Getz. Most especially if you want to sit down and enjoy the warm rainforest showering your body. As I have mentioned earlier, this entryway can be closed off for privacy, and it can be used as a changing room with this sliding door, which is a neat feature. Alright, time to move on to the other half of this room tour. Let's begin with the minibar area. As expected, there's a provided electric kettle, 2 pieces of boxed water by Elix, some complimentary Nespresso coffee capsules, packets of sugar and coffee mate, an espresso coffee maker. In the first drawer, you'll find a few utensils and wine glasses, some packets of Jing tea, Pringles, and a packet of nuts. Underneath, there's a small cupboard where you'll find a small refrigerator, more glasses, and an ice bucket. I like the idea of using a pull-out insert to maximize the space. There's some drinks inside the refrigerator, but unfortunately, you need to pay extra for these drinks. You'll find a note stuck behind the door. In the entertainment area, you'll find a long floating shelf that doubles as a work desk, a 55-inch smart TV, and an LG soundbar along with USB ports for charging devices that can be found on each side of this frame. Right over here, in the corner, you'll find a hanging task light, a wireless phone with free local calls, a notepad, some wall sockets, and switches too. Just like any luxury hotels, there's a large window equipped with motorized window blinds in the back and a fully manual one in the front. In the evening, the view from the room is spectacular. overlooking the airport and the bus terminus for Ngongping and the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge Hong Kong port below. Before we get to the final entry in this room tour, the room features a two-seater sofa which provides extra comfort, along with a stylish floor lamp. Finally, we got a queen-size bed. The bed sheets and the soft, thick blanket that is perfect for winter is nicely tucked and really clean. Most of all, the cushion is soft, nice and comfy. To add to overall better sleeping experience, they provided us 4 soft and comfy pillows too. It really feels nice and good to lie down to a perfectly made bed just for you. Just like most hotels, there are some power outlets and light switches that can be found in the headboard. Overall, I highly recommend the Silveri Hong Kong MGallery for its prime location in Tung Chung. Going to Central, Wan Chai, Causeway Bay, Tsim Sha Tsui, and Hong Kong Disneyland is easily accessible via MTR. Considering that it is 10 minutes away from the airport, you do not have to worry much about rushing and catching your next flight. The hotel's free airport shuttle is a great feature as not all hotels in Hong Kong provide this service. Before we wrap up this video, here are some bonus must-know information and tips for you. Since the Silveri Hong Kong MGallery can be found in the Citygate outlet, this outlet mall is the only shopping mall in Tung Chung district. It is one of the top 5 shopping malls and is also the largest outlet mall in Hong Kong. This mall has 150 international premium brands and with around 40 international dining spots. Sales and discounts on premium brands can range from 30% to 90% off all year round. Also, if you plan to go to Macau, the B6 bus to the Hong Kong port of Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge can be found at this bus terminus right outside the hotel, next to the Ngongping cable car terminal. Just do not forget to bring your passport with you. The bus fare to Hong Kong port from Mondays to Sunday and public holiday is 9 Hong Kong dollars and 80 cents. If you have fear of heights riding the cable car, you can always take the local bus 23. That will take you to Ngongping, Big Buddha, and Pauline Monastery. And of course, it's the same bus back to Tung Chung. This bus is in the same terminus of bus B6 and also the cheapest option. Bus fare is 20 Hong Kong dollars and 40 cents from Monday to Saturday and 37 Hong Kong dollars on Sunday and public holiday. Thinking of going to Tai O's Fishing Village in summer? Take bus 11. This bus can be found in this bus terminus from Tung Chung, just right underneath the Citygate Outlet Annex building. Bus fare is 14 Hong Kong dollars from Monday to Saturday and 23 Hong Kong dollars on Sunday and public holiday. In case you miss the hotel airport shuttles service back to Hong Kong Airport, you can take the local S1 bus to reach the Hong Kong Airport. This bus is behind these 2 pillars across the Tung Chung MTR station. Bus fare is 3 Hong Kong dollars and 70 cents from Monday to Sunday and public holiday. Last but not least, if you are on a budget and looking for rice meals, come down to Taste Supermarket on Basement 1 in Citygate Outlet. They have decent selections of rice with 1 to 3 meals. Dinner discounts start at 5 p.m. up to 10 Hong Kong dollars off from the original price. Alright, that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, goodbye!